Okay, move on to the class. See what I'm trying to explain today in the cells. We may take two commands mainly. There is MS Paint. Yes. See, I want to remove some files. I want to remove some files. See, more than 5 days. More than 5 days means 5 days before files I want to delete. This one. 5 days before files I want to copy. 5 days before files I want to move. Commands are very common based on the terminology we are using the specific command. But what is our main aim is first we need to find, right? Actually, we are in the find. In previous class also we discussed with find command only. Are you agree with me? Now tell me. First I want to find, generally find. I want to use by using find command. You know it, right? If I give find and press enter, automatically I will get all the folders and directories, all the files and directories. Are you agree with me? I want to check my current directory, that is the dot. Are you agree with me? There, I want to identify type file only. That's why I am giving hyphen type. How can I specify file? By using F flag, by using F argument. After that, what I want to recognize. What I want to recognize. I want to recognize 5 days before files Shankar. I want to recognize 5 days before files. At that time, what shall you do? What will you do? There hyphen m type. Hyphen m type. The name itself, this is the flag, or you may call it as an argument, modified type. Modified type. See, 5 days before, that means plus 5. 5 days before, plus 5. Till now, is it clear for you? I'm finding only files before 5 days, last 5 days. That means 5 days before. Is it clear for you? Karnakar got the clarity. I'm finding which type of files, only file type that before 5 days. See this minus less than 5 days, within 5 days, less than 5 days. Simply, you can say that is plus means greater than 5 days. Nothing is there means equal to 5. Equal to 5. The specific thing. The specific day files. Anyway, we are searching for before before 5 days. Before 5 days. How can I search it? We may search like this. There try to open Ubuntu. Try to open Ubuntu. There I am going to enter one directory, or maybe directly you can search it. I hope my screen is visible, right? Visible. Anyone can guide me. Here I want to go for ls hyphen here. There I may have some folders also. Maybe last week we got created even ABC. ABC may have CD ABC. There ls hyphen l, maybe some files. Yes. See when it got created, June. This is what? This is the file size. June 5th it got created. Now the date is June 10th or 11th. 10th, right? Yes or no? Just a minute. Just a minute. Hello. Shivashankar, this is created at 5th, right? June 5th. June 5th, that means totally 5 days. Now, how can I go for find? Just I may given the command find. See, I am getting so many files related to that specific current directory, that specific current I user find dot. What I want to see? What I want to see? Hyphen, hyphen, type, hyphen, type, hyphen, type. What I want to check only again files. Same look and feel. There is no difference. There is no difference. There is no difference. What I said there hyphen m type m times. See, plus 5 I am giving. Check it what happened. Nothing is there because of only 5 days, right? I may go with plus 4. We may check it. There plus 4. 4 plus. Even again, it is not showing properly because of days are not fulfilled. Maybe I may give less than 6 days. Less than 6 days, it may work for us. See, am I getting or not? Less than 6. Less than 6 days. This is the less than 6 days files. We may check for less than 1 day file. Maybe there are not. Less than 1 day file. I may create today. I may get at least less than 1 day. Nothing is there, right? We may go for cat, not cat, touch. There may go for, there may go for maybe dev 1 dot dev. We may check like this dot txt. Now same option you may check it. Is it really working or not? Now is it clear for you? Everybody? At least less than 1 day file. Yes or no? These files, what will you do? You want to remove it. These files you want to remove it. For removing, three options are there. I may write here. Am I audible or not? First tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, audible. See, for removing, you may do three ways. Maybe the first one is somewhat little complex, but industry people are using that one only. Hyphen exec. Maybe yesterday in previous class also we have seen exec. Generally, after exec, what will you do? You may use this one. You may use tilde symbol. Maybe you want to use rm, right? Rm, the tilde symbol, there slash. This is the one way of syntax. What is the second way of syntax? Find dot hyphen type f hyphen m type. We assume according to our theory -1 I took, right? -1. Here also I am giving minus. Here also I am giving -1. You may easily understand all the five syntaxes. -1. Now what will you do? After that, this is where finding. After finding, you need to send this argument xargs. Extracting arguments. That means whatever it is identified, those all are extracting and removing. Next, third option, find you may use hyphen type f or m type modified type. This is -1. Don't think about L. What will you do? Just you need to give hyphen delete. That's all delete option. Hyphen delete option. Maybe you may feel which is easier. We may go with that. You tell me which one shall I take now? Which one shall I take now? Either first one or second one or maybe third. Maybe our feeling, maybe as a learner, which is the easiest one? You may think last one is easy, right? Because of the word delete at least. We know the word delete. Which option shall I go with? A is valid, B is valid, C is valid, even all the above is valid. All the above is valid. Hello, Karunakar, you tell me which one shall we go with?
First ones.
First one. See, RM hyphen RF, already up to here, There after that hyphen exec, there RM, there after that slash semicolon. See, it got executed means now see, we are checking. We are checking those files are available. See, files got deleted, right? Again we may create. Same command I am going to apply there for creation. Now check it. Again we may find these files. Now we need to go for second option. Anyone tell me what is the second option? What is the second option? How to use? At least tell me. There after that we need to give pipe symbol. XARGS extracting arguments. After that what? RM. Simply RM. See, again we need to check. We need to check those files are available or not. See, no. In the same way, you may go for once again you are creating Here again, you need to check ls hyphen l, or maybe simply we are finding only specific files, right? Now we need to delete hyphen, just delete, delete. We are trying to apply delete. See, it got deleted or not. Again, you need to check LSL. I hope everybody understood yes or not. Maybe at the time of interview, which is very easier, which you are able to remember, you may go with that only. No need to check all the syntaxes, no need to tell all the syntaxes. Their intention is they want to remove specific. For that, we are specifying specific action. Here, one interviewer, one lady asked to Markonda sir, what is the M time stands for? What is M time stands for? M time represents modified time. M time represents modified time. There F you know, right? F represents file. F represents. Now observe and tell me, is there any difficulty here? If no difficulty, I may move on to new concept. Very, very important one. Maybe today and tomorrow only I may take Linux. Next I may move on to shell script. There also I may cover some Linux commands. There also I may cover some Linux commands. Some Linux commands. Someone is trying to join. Good evening. No? This is very, very important. This is compulsory question. This is guarantee question. If you start Linux related questions, how to remove specific files, maybe days before or days after or equal to so and so date. This is less than 1 day, maybe 5u plus 1, greater than 1 day, greater than 1 day. They are asking generally, industry people are expecting before 90 days. Then older files. How we specify? File dot hyphen type, their f m type, their plus 9, plus 90, their hyphen delete, delete all. This is very simple. Same in place of delete, you may go with hyphen xcc or their flower bracket open. What does it mean? Again, they may ask, whatever you find up to this observe, up to this data, you may identify, right? This is moving to here. This is the placeholder for whatever the files it is identified. What it is going, it is executing which command? RM command. Executing RM command. What RM command will do? Removing whatever it is available within this. Syntax, this syntax you must follow slash semicolon. Otherwise it won't work. Here no need to use those things. Simply you may use hyphen delete option. I hope you got it. Now we are moving to very powerful command, grep. Very powerful command, grep. At least per day you may use one time at least grep command. At least one time you may use grep command. That much of power. GREP, GRE. See global regular expression print or parser. Global regular expression print or parser. One more command I want to tell you. This is also one of the powerful command. Maybe see here we are having ls hyphen l. So many things are there, right? Assume their file things are there. These things you want to recognize. Is it a file? Is it a directory? Here we need to go and check. See, it's very simple. File, stop, that's all, check it. What it is saying? File 19 is ASCII text, file 3 is ASCII text, file 34 is directory, file 4 is ASCII text. Again, you may have a doubt. What is the specialty here? See, I am going to root. There I may give file, stop. Now you may get the clarity. Now see, somewhere I use LNSL. What is the meaning of LNSL? I hope maybe that class you listen, I think. Symbolic link. Symbolic link. It is showing symbol link to STA. It got created from which? Please note it, someone. Symbolic link. It is clearly telling empty file, directory file, ASCII file, symbolic link file. This is the clear indication it is given. This is very simple command, very easy to understand. It will show actual type of a file. Actual type of a file. I hope you got the clarity. After actual type of a file, it will show. We can easily recognize, is it empty file or is it directory file? Is it link file or is it regular file? I said right. Regular file is nothing but that is nothing but content. Some content is there. It can consider as ASCII text, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Now I want to move to their grep command. Grep is having nearly 10 plus options. Maybe I may move to our document. There you can see, you can easily understand what is the purpose of grep command. This is the document. There I may go for there I may search control F. There grep. Enter, enter. Where is the grep word? Now locate and find OK. But I need to search for grep, right? GRE, spelling correct only, right? Or else I may move to beginning. There like page page one. From page one, there see somewhere grep is there. Check it. Where is the grep now? Here see chapter 20. Chapter 20. Now see they given different abbreviations. Try to remember globally search a regular expression and print it. Their global regular expression print, global regular expression parser. See, print is nothing but just it will display, but parser is nothing but conversion happens. Conversion. Parser is nothing but two meanings. One is the divider, second one is the converter. See, very simple understanding. Grep is the keyword, grep is the command. After that, you need to specify the pattern. Pattern in the sense in which order you want to search, in which words you want to search, just you need to specify the files. See, within the file, grep is nothing but searching a content within a file. Find is the command for finding the path of the file. File path you are finding. But grep means searching the content within a file. Searching the content within a file. Within a file. Anyway, so many options are there. There I may show you all the options first. I'm not going to the things. Based on that, we'll go and work with. I may show you all the options. I'm showing all the options. There you can remember, we may go with that. We may see these are the options available within the thread. These are the options we may work with on the thread. I may go based on this. Remaining things automatically can understand. You can understand. There we may take some content. Maybe this is Java demo. Maybe I'm taking like this same content. I'm copy pasting for easy understand. Copy pasting. Their copy. See V8 maybe demo.txt. They're pasting. Yes. Shift colon X. Good. If I use cat command, you may get the content, cat of demo.txt. Good. There I need to identify only Java content. In how many lines Java content is that? Java is the word on how many lines are there. Here we can easily recognize, right? Manually we can count it, manually we can check it. See, grep grep, what you require Java, from where it is there, demo.txt. See, even though I manually recognize the two areas, but it is showing three. Why? Here one Java is there. Where is one more Java? Here one more Java. Even my I'm not recognizing one more. What is the one more? One is the Java demo. Okay, giving down. Yeah, here starting Java. Starting Java is. See, are you observing where the Java is there? Those lines I want to get it. Now you may ask me, no. Where Java is there, I don't want. Where Java is not there, I want it. See, you may go with hyphen V. That's what I am taking those commands. See what it is other than Java. Opposite, right? Equal to, not equal. Equal to, not equal. Sometimes you may require such a requirement. Okay, first search that one, eliminate that one. Other than that one, I want it. Why should I go for like that? Simply, I may go for inverter. This is nothing but inverter. Invert option. Here is the invert means opposite. We can think like. Don't think about I. Don't think about. Here is V is nothing but invert. V is nothing but invert. See such option we have seen or not. Check it here. I said right. I may go with this. See somewhere it is there or not. There somewhere there see V. V is nothing but inverse. Inverse. Now suppose I want to search for, is there any small and lowercase uppercase hello is there? Here lower uppercase is there. This is also uppercase. I want both combinations. Is there any word both combinations? Quickly respond. If not there, we need to change. If not there, I may go with maybe capital. Okay, not bad. I may go with VI. VI. What is that? Demo.txt. There I'm typing capital Java one name, capital J. There insert J capital. In the same way, this is in T is one small t. One small t. This small t. That's all. Escape. Shift colon else. I am searching for a specific word. See now, specific word. Specific word. Now you may see I may get how many Javas? Two Javas. But our intention is either lowercase Java, uppercase Java. Don't consider that means you need to ignore case. That means you can go for I. For ignoring the case, see now this is the you want to ignore the case, either may lowercase or maybe uppercase or maybe mixed case. You can easily identify. One more thing, you want to identify only those words. Why should we go for other words, other lines? I don't want. Just O. O means only. O means only specific. Specific, you want to get it. Specific, you want to get it. You got specific, there you want to get unique, right? There you want to get unique. See, there you may go like this. Here is you may apply SAR hyphen. That is the specialty here. Sort hyphen u. Why we are getting two different Java? One is uppercase Java, starting letter. Another one is lowercase Java. People may think, sir, we got three Javas, right? Uniqueness. In uniqueness, lower and upper are different. Lower and upper are different. Is it clear for you? But after this, how many items are there for each one? You may go for like this. There UNIQ, unique frequency. Count, you want to count it. You want to count it. Like this, we can identify. Already you know sort hyphen U. Already you know unique hyphen C. But what we are identifying here? Only we are recognizing a specific word. A specific word. Including maybe you are ignoring case, but even though you are ignoring case, if you remove this one, ignore case, you may get only one Java, only one Java, only one Java. Got it or not? You are getting unique with how many there. See, already I used hyphen I. Now you need to go for N. Hyphen N. Hyphen N means line count. Hyphen N means line. See, I want to go for grep. There hyphen N. N. There Java. Where you want to find it? Demo dot. See where the In our file, which lines having that specific words? Line 6 having that specific word, line 5 and line 6 having those words. In this way, N, even it is just only C means here also count line. Here is also this. I may go for C only. It may give file with how many times. Count number of times. See, 2 times is available or not? Yes, 2 times is the counted number of times. Number of times. We already we know. V means what I said? Invert I said. There hyphen L, right? This one? Yes or no? Hyphen L. See, hyphen L I am going to give list. The file names and which file already we are having demo.txt. Which file? ఈ బంగారు షాప్